Design and content need to work together for the best user experience. And designers typically prefer to have the content before they begin design. With real content in hand, they can best optimize the layout for the brand feel, for readability, scannability, calls to action. We also know sometimes content developers would prefer to have the design first, then they can look at it and use it as a template for writing content. The challenge with that is that it can be really difficult and constraining to fit into that mold. When you don't have the right kind of images or the length of copy doesn't conform to the templated layout, then we end up with inconsistent brand messaging or a page that has design components changed or missing, leading to a less pleasing design and less pleasing looking website. With content written and images available, etc., we can use that as a guide for design rather than having to conform to the design. This approach leads to better user experience and, importantly, projects that are better on your budget. A typical scenario we see that adds expense to projects is a process of design, input content, and redesign to fit that content. We never want to degrade sort of carefully crafted copy to fit into a certain box in a template. So we often have to recreate designs after the content's been developed, leading to that sort of multi-step iterative process. We understand the realities of the project timeline require often that design and content creation are sometimes happening at the same time. So I think the advice is just don't wait until the final stages of the project to bring them together.